Safety in the lab is a serious matter, and while this video uses humor to entertain and inform, it should not be assumed that horseplay in the lab will be accepted or tolerated. Though it may appear otherwise, no safety rules were broken during the filming of this video. The printing lab is an exciting and potentially dangerous place where something is always going on. To help you stay safe while working in the lab, always wear appropriate personal protection, including rubber-soled shoes that cover your entire foot, and follow these guidelines. Tie back long hair. Remove jewelry. And do not wear loose clothing. Before moving heavy objects, clear a path to their destination. When lifting, bend your knees and use your legs to lift rather than your back. Keep the object close to your body for better control, and place gently on the hand truck. Clean up spills right away to prevent slipping, and place the caution sign in the area until the floor is dry. When working with the press, you should wear safety glasses, gloves, and an apron or jumpsuit. Make sure that all safety guards are closed and in working order. And never, ever reach into the press when it is running. The results could be disastrous. You should always wear safety glasses when operating the paper cutter. The blade on the paper cutter is extremely sharp, so be sure to clear items such as rulers or pencils away from the blade before making your cut. This prevents dulling the blade or creating a dangerous projectile. The paper cutter is equipped with safety sensors that prohibit the cutter from operating when the beam between them is broken. For further protection, the operator must use two hands to operate the blade. Never place anything other than paper in the paper cutter. They don't call it a guillotine cutter for nothing.
Ooh, that's smart!
The shrink wrapper uses high temperatures to seal and shrink plastic film used for packaging. Watch out for the hot wires under the sealing bar and never lean against the oven unit, as these can cause severe burns. Be sure to turn on the conveyor belt before turning on the heat to prevent melting of the belt. And aside from shrink wrap film, never put anything in the shrink wrapper that can melt or otherwise cause a mess.
I'm a bad boy.
Many of the chemicals used in the printing lab have vapors that are combustible. Be sure to store combustible materials in the fire cabinet and never use them near an open flame. Smoking in open flames are not allowed in any part of the lab.
Fire!
These are just a few of the many potentially dangerous conditions that exist in the press room. Make sure you are properly trained and equipped with appropriate personal protection before operating any piece of equipment, and never operate equipment when alone, distracted, drowsy, or intoxicated. By following these safety policies, you can complete your work safely and efficiently. Happy printing!